What is up, J-Squads? It is J-Skills here at ngayong araw ay magiging noob to pro tayo gamit ang Dragon Fruit. So, may dalawa tayong challenge. Ang unang challenge ay kailangan nating makapunta sa third sea sa loob ng isang oras. At sa loob ng isang oras na rin yun ay kailangan nating makuha ang Imperial Evolution or yung transformation skill ng Dragon Fruit. So, paano ba natin matatrack ang oras? Madali lamang dahil meron ako ditong one unclaimed gift na galing kay Animal Plays YouTube. Let's claim it. Then, Asan na yun? Where's my... Here. So, pag niredeem natin to, magsisimula na yung 1 hour timer natin. So, bago natin i-redeem yan, syempre, kumuha muna tayo ng task dito sa Quest Giver, Forgotten Quest Giver. So, ano na ba tayo? Water Fighter na ata ang ating... Yeah, Water Fighter. So, let's get some Water Fighter and the 1 hour starts now. Let's go! Di tayo pwede mag-aksaya ng oras dahil pag ma-fail ko ang challenge na to ay mamimigay ako ng permanent fruit na gusto nyo sa comment section below. So, i-comment nyo na kung ano yung pangarap mong fruit, dragon man yan, yeti, gas, kahit ano, bibigay ko basta ma-fail ko tong challenge na to, okay? So, yeah, let's start grinding. I hope hindi ako matalo. Ay, mamamatay na ako. I hope hindi tayo matalo para hindi ako mabigay ng fruit. Pero kung matalo ako, that's a promise. I will give you guys what I died already. Okay. That's okay. We still have a lot of time. Okay, start na ulit tayo. Ang hirap pala ipang-grind netong dragon fruit dahil pinupukol niya sa malayo yung kalaban. Oh no, I'm dying. So, comment nyo na yung dream fruit na gusto nyong makamit. At dahil kung ma-fail ko tong challenge na to, ay bibigay ko sa inyo yun. Okay, last one para mag-level up tayo. Sa totoo lang, excited na ako makita ang third sea because for so many months, no, finally mapupunta tayo sa third sea. So we got 3 levels there and let's get a new quest, a water fighter. Ano ba ang mga gusto nyong fruit na makuha? Like dragon ba? Yeti ba? Or ano ba? Gas? Kailangan nating bilisan para hindi tayo... No. Hindi ako pwedeng mamatay ulit. Ba't nila ako pinapatay ng mabilis? Hindi naman sila ganito kalakas Ay! Namatay na naman ako. What the heck, bro? 56 minutes left. Ang dami pa nating levels na kailangan. Level 180 pa lang yung dragon natin. And we still need like, I don't know, less than 200 levels. Like 170. So, yeah. Kailangan nating seryosohin to at galingan. Asa na iba? Ang hirap ipang grind ng dragon kasi natutulak niya yung kalaban palayo. Okay, nag-level na uli pala tayo. So, kumuha uli tayo ng new quest. Puno na yung Fury meter natin, no? Pero hindi pa rin tayo makapag-transform dahil wala pa tayo ng Imperial Evolution. Okay, let's go. So guys, malapit na nga palang ilabas ang Gravity Rework. So handa na ba kayo? Marami na ba kayong Gravity sa items nyo, sa inventory nyo? Dahil for sure magiging in demand ang Gravity at magiging mahirap mag-trade para dito. So maganda na kayo, mag-ipon na kayo ng Gravity dahil malapit nang ilabas yan. At mauna siya kaysa sa Control Reworks. So gusto nyo ba yun? Is it a W update from Blacksfruit or L? Because personally, I think it's an W, I think. Yeah, W yun. Okay, last one. And finisher. Finish him. Boom! Let's go. 29 more levels para mapunta tayo sa third sea. And 140 more mastery para naman sa Imperial Evolution. Let's go. Ilang minutes lang ba? 52 minutes left. Kaya ba to? Mukhang mamimigay ako ng permanent fruit So, kung matatalo ko, i-comment mo na yung permanent fruit na gusto mo. Baka kasi ikaw na ang manalo ng permanent fruit. Let's go! So level, what na tayo? Level 174. Ba't ang tagal ko lumebel? Nga pala guys, when we hit 20k subs, I think magpa-face reveal na tayo soon. So, yeah, subscribe na para makita nyo na ang mukha ni J-Skills. Okay, new quest, nice. So let's get the new quest. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan yon, pero punta man tayo sa quest giver, Tidekeeper. So si Tidekeeper na ang ating kakalabanin. We need to add some defense. Okay, saan ba si Tidekeeper dito, guys? Feeling ko dito ako matatalo sa paghahanap ng mga boss or mga new quest dahil hindi ko alam kung saan sila nakapwesto. Nasaan ba si Tidekeeper? Tidekeeper, where are you? Nasasayang yung oras ko, guys. We have 48 minutes left para makapunta sa third sea at makuha yung transformation skill Dragon Fruit. So, nasan ba si Tidekeeper dito? Yo, wala pa si Tidekeeper. Hindi pa rin naman spawn si Tidekeeper dahil nasa private server tayo and hindi pa naman 30 minutes. So, patayin muna natin tong water fighter habang naantay natin siya. Nice. So, 182. So, last 18. And sa ating mastery, we need 33 more, I think. Or 23 more. So, 23 mastery. No, I'm sorry. 123 pa pala. Kaya ba yan, guys? 44 minutes lang. Okay, so isang mastery na lang, makukuha na natin yung Scorching Downfall. So, patay na natin po. Nag-level up pa tayo. Hindi pa. We're so close. And 8 levels away na tayo para makapunta sa third sea, I think. What the heck? New skill available. Let's go. Let's try it. Paano ba yun? Oh! Ayun pala siya. So, nice. So, 37 minutes left na lang bago tayo matalo. Matatalo kaya tayo, guys? Comment down below kung sa tingin nyo matatalo tayo. And we need to give someone ng permanent fruit na gusto nila. Gihirap tayo ng malala dito, guys. So, kuha pa tayo ng quest. Buhay na kaya si Tidekeeper or nandito na kaya siya? Tapusin lang natin tong quest na to tapos check natin kung live na si Tidekeeper. Okay, level up. So, hanapin natin. So, search muna natin kung saan ba nakalocate si Tidekeeper. Tidekeeper Blocks Fruit location. So, yan. Location for Garden Island behind the cliff mainland on a small mini island. Okay, so hindi pa siya buhay. So, wala pa siya dito, right? Okay, hanapin natin kung saan yung location niya. Parang dito lang siya sa taas. Tama ba? Oo, parang dito lang siya nakalocate. So, wala pa si Tidekeeper. Oh no. Sa tingin ko, okay lang siya kasi pwede naman tayo mag-level up habang tinatalo yung mga water fighter. So, pwede na yun. Alright, are we? No, kinulang pa ng isa. Okay. Kaya ba to? 32 minutes na lang, guys. 32 minutes na lang para makapunta tayo sa third sea and makuha natin yung Imperial Evolution skill na itong Dragon Fruit natin. Kakayanin ba yan? 32 minutes na lang. Yo, I think hindi. Oh no, maghihirap tayo nito pag mamigay tayo ng fruits. Grabe yung damage dealt natin, 40k. Umabot siya ng 42,000. Grabe talaga tong Dragon Fruit. Okay, last one. And I think pwede na tayo pumunta sa third sea. Oh, pwede na. Congratulations for reaching level 1,500. Ready to go to the next world. Save and talk to the NPC jail Coliseum something. Okay, so mag-TP na lang tayo. Saan ba tayo? Okay, so dito tayo napunta. And tara, lumipad tayo papunta sa Coliseum para kausapin yung tao doon. Okay, saan ba tayo? Saan? Yo, nag-aaksaya tayo ng oras. 30 minutes left. 263 pa lang yung mastery natin sa Dragon. Okay, there's the Coliseum. Come on, fly faster, bro. 5k Robux pero ang bagal lumipad. Come on. We cannot waste time. Time is gold. And time is Robux. Okay, nasa na yung kakausapin natin? I think kailangan ulit nating i-search YouTube. Okay, sinearch natin how to get to the third sea. Panoorin natin. Okay, sige, sige. Okay, okay. What? Ang dami pa natin kailangan gawin. Hindi to maganda. Hindi maganda coach tutorial. Come on, come on, come on. Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Okay, pupunta siya ng Coliseum. Saan ba? Sino ba yung kakausapin dito? Oh, doon, doon, doon. Okay, okay. In which side? I don't know, but let's find it quick. Our time is running out. Ito. Nice, nice. Tapos, what the heck? Ano gagawin ko dito? Okay, panoorin natin ulit. Bakit hindi bukas yung akin? Kailangan ko ba munang pumatay ng... What the heck, bro? Bakit sa akin hindi bukas? Yo. Okay, isa pang video. Kailangan muna pala natin pumunta kay Bartilo. So, nasa cafe siya. Where's the cafe? I don't know. Pero punta tayo doon. 26 minutes na lang. Matatalo ata ako, guys. No way. Yo, where's Bartilo? Okay, come on, talk. Thank God. Okay. 50 Swan Pirate. Okay, Swan Raid. Okay, come on, 50 Swan Pirates. Okay, at least may makukuha tayong XP dito or mastery dito sa Swan Pirates. So, not bad na rin for us, but we still need to hurry up, bro. 25 minutes, tapos ilan pa? 100? Less than 100 mastery para makuha natin yung Imperial Evolution. We need to speed this up, bro. Swan Pirates, where are you guys? Okay, nandito na sila. Kaso nga lang, pag magbibigay sila ng mastery, sobrang baba naman. Kasi mababa yung level nila. Tama ba? Oo nga. Matatalo ata tayo. So comment nyo na guys kung ano yung gusto nyo. Permanent fruit. At dahil feeling ko, matatalo tayo dito. We're running out of time, bro. 24 minutes left. At ang sobrang hirap pang grind netong dragon fruit kasi nananakback yung mga kalaban. Okay, try natin tong Scorching Downfall. Let's go. Okay. I think that's the move para mamatay agad sila mang mabilis. Okay, we got 15 now. Kinakabahan na ako guys. Ayoko mawalan ng Robux. Mahal ang Robux. 268. Level naman yung mastery natin sa Dragon. So, not bad na rin. But sobrang tagal. 23 minutes left guys. Kaya ba to? Oh no. Okay, 30. 20 more. Okay, last 2. Let's go, come on. 271 mastery. We still need, I don't know. Kinakabahan na ako, guys. Okay, congratulations. Okay, we need to talk to paring Bartilo again. Okay, paring Bartilo, nasan ka na? We still need like 78 pa ata na mastery. What? Ang sabi? Great work. Now for their leader, find and defeat Jeremy, the spring user. So, saan ba si Jeremy? Jeremy is, I think, dito. 20 minutes left, guys. And we still need 78 more mastery. Okay, at least buhay na si Jeremy. Okay, come on. Okay, simulan natin ng Scorching Downfall. And then, Heatwave Cannon. Nasaan na si Jeremy? Oh no, we need to use our observation. Okay, Kobe. Okay. Almost down to... Oh, he is almost dead. Okay, let's go. Last one. Boom. No. Scorching Downfall. Let's go. You have defeated me. Now speak. Very well. I was brought into the Swan Pirates family and given the position of Coliseum Director. I have been rigging the event so that my fighters always win. L. Jeremy. When you find Master Swan, tell him I have failed him. Okay, so where are we going next? I think sa Coliseum na. Okay, come on. 18 minutes left, guys. Yo. And 77 mastery pa? No, matatalo tayo. So, comment na, guys. Kung ano yung gusto nyong fruit na makuha pag natalo ko. Kasi, 18 minutes na lang yung natitira sa oras natin. And, kailangan pa natin ng 77. Bakit sarado pa rin? Search yung YouTube video, okay? No, not you. I think, kailangan ulit natin kausapin si Bartilo. Okay. The tournament is back to normal. Go now, free the in-person gladiators, Warj. Okay, so ngayon pupunta na talaga tayo sa Coliseum. Let's go. Sorry guys, this is my first time going to the third sea, so bear with me ha. Okay, we need to free the gladiators. Bukas na ba? Bukas na? Hindi pa din. Paano to? What the heck, bro? Oh, there's a puzzle. May puzzle. Buti na lang, may YouTube na. Okay, nice. There you go. And then, what? And then what? Come on, faster. Okay. The N. Huh? Nasaan yun? Okay, ito. N. Oh, mali. What the heck? Okay, ulitin natin. Oh, what the heck? Ulit. Wait, then what? And then, come on, we're out of time. The one here, okay? And then, what? Okay, nice. Please, sir, take this helmet as a token of our appreciation. Okay, thank you. Then we need to talk to King Redhead. Yo, what's up, bro? I'm busy right now. Come back when you reach. Yo, I'm level. I think there's. Go back to the roof. Okay, we need to go back to the roof. Yo, 13 minutes. Nah, talo na tayo, guys. Talo na tayo. Roof. Where is the roof? Akyat bahay gang. Akyat bahay gang. Punta tayo sa bubong. Okay, anong gagawin natin dito sa roof? Pupunta tayo sa baba. Sa pink door. Here. Here's the pink door. You cannot what? Huh? What? What did I... What? Ano ginawa ko mali? Kailangan ba natin pumunta ulit ka Bartilo? Okay, Bartilo, my pare. Hey, that's it. Thank you for... Bakit ba wala pumasok doon? 12 minutes left. No. No, no, no. We're gonna lose this challenge, guys. 12 minutes left. What do I need to do? Ano kailangan kong gawin? Yo, what's up? What's up? Okay, we need to find another YouTube video. This one. Okay. Kinderjoy, get out of my face. That lion is so cute. Okay, balik tayo sa roof. Tingnan natin kung papapasukin na tayo. Dahil nakasuot na tayo yung warrior helmet. Trevor. What's up, Trevor? You seem strong. Are you here to join our organization? Bring me an expensive... Okay, so I think ayun ang kailangan natin gawin. No. Okay guys, babalitaan ko kayo kung ano na yung gagawin ko next. Okay, so I think kailangan natin magbigay sa kanya kay Trevor ng fruit, I think. Ano ba? 1M. Ano ba 1M, guys? I think spider na lang. Or ice. We got a lot of ice. Talk. I see. Let me take closer. This was garbage. What? Tapos kinain niya? What the frick? Okay, spider. Spider for sure. This is mythical. Let me take closer. Okay. Ano sabi? I think pwede na tayo. Yo, nice. And we need to defeat Swan. Let's go, Swan. Come on, Swan. No. What? You have to form. No. We need to go back. Do we need to offer another fruit? Hindi naman, di ba? Okay. Sana hindi dahil maghihirap talaga tayo ng gusto nito. Nasaan na yung baba? We're lost. 8 minutes left. Swan. Okay, Swan. Come on. Nag-glitch pa tayo. Sobrang malas naman. Oh no. Come on. 8 minutes left. Do you think, guys, kaya ba natin to? For me, it is impossible already. Okay, Swan. Come on, Swan. Oh, what the heck? I think we need to use gas fruit na. Let's use gas fruit muna. Dahil 5 minutes na lang. Yo, come on. Eto, Swan, hindi ka na makakaligtas. Gas fruit na. Guys, babalitaan ko na lang kayo pag nasa third scene ako. Dahil talo na rin naman ako. Okay guys, sa wakas napatay na natin si Swan. So, 1 minute na lang yung timer natin. Na, we're done. Okay, balik na tayo kay King Redhead. Mamaya kukunin natin. Okay, let's talk to him. Yo, what? I'm sad. Why? Can you go disrespect? No, Rip Indra. I need him to pop his rune. So, of course, admin. Okay, what are we going to do here? Oh, we're going to fight Rip Indra? No. Kaya ba natin si Indra? No, admin. No, naubos na yung oras natin. 2 times XPS ended. Oh no. Where's Indra? Indra, where are you? Oh, there he is. No. What happened? Okay. The cutscene. Who is going to win? You've got a mail. New message from King Redhead. Read. My dear friend, this is a mental message. I've been sealed by Rip Indra in the third sea. I need your help ASAP. Please come save me. So King Redhead aka Magging for the day. Talk to Mr. Captain at the Clean Zone. Okay, let's talk to Mr. Captain. Guys, dahil natalo tayo, comment down your dream fruit right now. para kung sino man yung mapili ko sa comment section below ay mabibigyan ng fruit. Okay? Permanent fruit. Kahit anong gusto nyo dahil sobrang noob ko, natalo ko. And wala pa tayo sa 3rd C tapos 277 pa lang yung ating mastery. So, J-Skills noob. But, let's find Mr. Captain first. Okay, asa na si Mr. Captain? Mr. Captain, here? Okay, Mr. Captain, talk. I can take you to the 3rd C. Let's go. 3rd C. 3rd C? Hello? Hello? What is happening? Yo. Am I getting banned? What? I can take you to the 3rd C. Yes. Sorry, something came up. Huh? What? Okay, let's reconnect, I think. Oh, Black's Fruit 3rd C. Sa 3rd C na tayo? Oh! 3rd C na! Let's go! Come on now. 3rd C na tayo. Come on, Budge. J-Skills 1 Gamer Robot Inc. 3rd C. Let's go. Let's go. Kaso nga lang, natalo tayo. Kailangan ko pa rin mabigay ng fruit. What the frick? Maghihirap tayo niyan. Ano ba gusto nyo, guys? Kahit anong gusto nyo. Rocket fruit na lang. Please, rocket fruit na lang. Rocket fruit na lang. Wag to. Mahal. Mahal to. Pero, as promised, kahit anong gusto nyong fruit ay ibibigay ko basta kung sino yung mapili ko sa comment section. Okay? So, yeah, maraming salamat sa panonood at kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na dahil sa 20k subscribers, baka pag-isipan ko na mag-face reveal. Okay? Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!